How would you like to pay?
Cash, please.
How would you like to pay?
Credit card, no debit available.
How would you like to pay?
Gift card, covering the total.
Do you want a printed receipt?
Yes, print a receipt for me.
Do you want a printed receipt?
Save paper, no printed receipt.
Do you want a printed receipt?
Lost interest in printed receipts.
What type of meat are you looking for?
Chicken breasts for tonight's dinner.
What type of meat are you looking for?
Ground beef for spaghetti, please.
What type of meat are you looking for?
Pork loin for a Sunday roast.
Is this meat for a special occasion?
Yes, planning a dinner party.
Is this meat for a special occasion?
No, just regular family meals.
Is this meat for a special occasion?
Special occasion, need prime cuts.
What type of wine are you looking for?
Red wine for a hearty meal.
What type of wine are you looking for?
White wine for a lighter option.
What type of wine are you looking for?
Champagne for a special celebration.
Do you prefer local or international wines?
International wines for a diverse selection.
Do you prefer local or international wines?
No preference, open to both.
Do you prefer local or international wines?
Only interested in locally produced.
How about trying a new beer?
Sure, recommend a craft beer.
How about trying a new beer?
No, sticking to my favorite.
How about trying a new beer?
Only enjoy classic lagers, thanks.
What type of bread are you looking for?
Whole wheat for a healthier choice.
What type of bread are you looking for?
White bread for classic sandwiches.
What type of bread are you looking for?
Rye bread for variety in sandwiches.
Do you prefer fresh or packaged produce?
Fresh produce for this week.
Do you prefer fresh or packaged produce?
Packaged for longer shelf life.
Do you prefer fresh or packaged produce?
Only fresh, no packaged items.
How much milk would you like?
1 gallon for the week.
How much milk would you like?
Half a gallon for my needs.
How much milk would you like?
No milk needed, lactose intolerant.
Would you like paper or plastic bags?
Plastic bags are fine, thanks.
Would you like paper or plastic bags?
Prefer paper, please.
Would you like paper or plastic bags?
Brought my reusable bags, thanks.
How much meat do you need?
1 pound of ground beef.
How much meat do you need?
2 chicken breasts for grilling.
How much meat do you need?
3 pork chops for dinner.
Would you like it freshly cut?
Yes, prefer fresh cuts, please.
Would you like it freshly cut?
No, pre-packaged cuts are fine.
Would you like it freshly cut?
Freshly cut for today's barbecue.
Are you interested in home delivery?
Yes, prefer the convenience of delivery.
Are you interested in home delivery?
No, we'll take items home.
Are you interested in home delivery?
Opting for store pickup instead.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, and it's in my wallet.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Lost my card, can I replace?
Do you have a loyalty card?
I don't have a loyalty card.
Would you like to donate?
No, not today, thank you.
Would you like to donate?
Already made a donation elsewhere.
Would you like to donate?
Don't have extra funds for donation.
Do you need assistance with coupons?
No, not using any coupons.
Do you need assistance with coupons?
Forgot to bring my coupons.
Do you need assistance with coupons?
Using digital coupons on phone.
Do you have a preferred delivery time?
Yes, morning delivery is preferred.
Do you have a preferred delivery time?
No preference, any time is fine.
Do you have a preferred delivery time?
Evening delivery suits my schedule.
Do you want your items bagged?
Yes, please bag everything securely.
Do you want your items bagged?
Prefer paper bags over plastic.
Do you want your items bagged?
No bags, items are already packed.
Is this purchase for a special occasion?
Yes, preparing for a celebration.
Is this purchase for a special occasion?
Birthday party, need party supplies.
Is this purchase for a special occasion?
No special occasion, routine restock.
Do you need help with marinades?
Yes, recommendations for steak marinades.
Do you need help with marinades?
No, have a favorite marinade.
Do you need help with marinades?
Yes, suggestions for pork marinades.
Is there a specific brand preferred?
Yes, loyal to a specific brand.
Is there a specific brand preferred?
Open to trying different brands.
Is there a specific brand preferred?
Prefer organic or local brands.
Do you have a preferred snack?
Yes, love the classic chips.
Do you have a preferred snack?
Craving something sweet, like chocolate.
Do you have a preferred snack?
No snacks, today, just essentials.
Are you interested in any promotions?
Yes, show me current deals.
Are you interested in any promotions?
No, just sticking to my list.
Are you interested in any promotions?
No, I'm good with regular prices.
Do you prefer bottled or canned drinks?
Bottled drinks for a classic feel.
Do you prefer bottled or canned drinks?
Prefer glass bottles.
Do you prefer bottled or canned drinks?
No preference, either is fine.
Do you need assistance choosing wines?
Yes, looking for a wine expert.
Do you need assistance choosing wines?
No, I know what I want.
Do you need assistance choosing wines?
Assistance not needed, experienced buyer.
Is the delivery address accurate?
Yes, address is correct and current.
Is the delivery address accurate?
No, need to update delivery address.
Is the delivery address accurate?
Address is correct. No changes.
Do you need help finding products?
Yes, looking for a specific item.
Do you need help finding products?
No, I have a shopping list.
Do you need help finding products?
Found everything. Thanks for asking.
Are you interested in a warranty?
Yes, for electronic items, please.
Are you interested in a warranty?
Already have an extended warranty.
Are you interested in a warranty?
No warranty needed. Confident in purchase.